My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Mynvhefutrx. This is the ransomware with such a long and random name. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will show you how damaging this ransomware is. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware and its impact on the files. So the ransomware encrypts files, and it displays this ransom note. It tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. There is no guarantee that your data would be restored, even if you agree to pay that ransom. So you can now clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this weird extension to the file names, and it's not possible to open the files anymore. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Well, this ransomware actually slows down the system tremendously, and you may find a special link for Combo Cleaner in the description to this video. Anyway, this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It will help you to fully remove this ransomware. So the program is in the trial mode, so click on Start Scan button. It will be offering the quick scan only in the trial mode. After you click on this Start Scan button, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to effectively detect and to remove this ransomware and to protect your data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner, you will see the summary of all the threads. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. I want to emphasize your attention again on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature effectively removes this ransomware and protects the files from further ransomware attack. You can always upgrade to Premium, and you can request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.